everyone! Today is another unboxing video of a good product from Jinri. New hair dryer. Thank you for reaching out to me. So mag-unbox ako ngayon ng Jinri Professional Hair Dryer. So this is the products. 1875 watts powerful Tourmaline Ionic hair dryer. I am really excited to use this product. I'm unboxing it today. This hair dryer is a professional salon hair dryer. Yan. Ayan yung kanyang mga feature. Professional features. Tourmaline Ionic technology, lightweight and powerful. Ergonomic streamline design. May 3-hit 2-speed for maximum styling flexibility. May cool shot button to set the style. Concentrator for precise styling. Hanging ring cord guard. Professional cord with ALCI safety plug. So, open na natin. Open what's inside the box. Oh. Oh. Wow. So cute. I like the color. Ay, ang cute ng kulay. Thank you for sending me red color. Ganya guys. Lightweight siya. See, lightweight. Non-slip handle. Galing, hindi mag-slip yung iyong hands. It won't slip your hands. Here. See guys. So ito naman ay ergonomic streamline design. So ito pala yung streamline design. Yeah, hindi non-slip siya. It won't slip your hands while you're using this. Next inside is, wow, I think this is the concentrator and a manual inside. So this is a styling nozzle. The styling nozzle concentrates the airflow onto a small area of hair for fast, easy styling. So it says it's ideal for blow drying with comb and styling brush. Divide the hair into smaller sections and point the dryer along the hair shaft from the roots to the end to give a smooth professional finish to the hair. So, ito pala ang kanyang gamit. The concentrator. It says concentrator for precise styling. So, ito na siya. Ayan. So, ito yung concentrator. So this is the 3 heat setting: cool, warm, or hot. So this is the temperature setting. So for me, my hair is thin. I prefer to set it in warm. Yeah, my hair is really thin. And it has air speed setting, low and high. So the next feature of this product is it has ito yung high and low speed setting. So for me, I prefer the low setting because of my hair. As I've said before, I have thin hair. So later we will try this product. So another feature of this product, professional cord with ALCI safety plug. So this is one of the features of the product. This is the plug. And the cord is 9 feet long and really thick. And really thick siya. And the cord has a handle. Just hang it in your bathroom. So I will take a shower now because I want to try this Jinri Paris Professional. It is a professional saloon hair dryer na ginagamit sa saloon. Yan, professional saloon hair dryer. So I'll be back. Now my hair is really wet. I've just finished shower. So we will try in cool setting. Now it's high. Now I'm done. My hair is dry already. My hair gets dry so quick. Wow. My hair is maganda. This is so powerful hair dryer. Natuyo agad yung hair ko. Ang bilis. It's so quick. So that's it for today's video. If you like this product, all the information I put in the description below on how to order this on Amazon. It is on sale. You can avail less 40% off. And that is for today's video. See you in my next vlog.